So today we will study the logarithm differentiations. Logarithmic differentiation. Like, see the difference. You see a derivative of x to the power 5. Derivative of 5 to the power x. Differentiation of 5 to the power 5. Differentiation of x to the power x. See these four different functions. This is related to x to the power n formula. So that is 5 x to the power 4. This is related to a to the power x formula, which is a to the power x log a means 5 to the power x log 5. This is constant, both the power and base are constant, derivative is 0. What about this? You find base is a function, power is also a function. So when you find this type of functions, you take the help of logarithmic formula, then we will differentiate it. Okay. So for that, let's write down the formula here. Log a into b. Log a into b is log a plus log b. Okay. Log a upon b is log a minus log b. Log a power is a. So that is m log a. These three we have to remember before I start any differentiation on the logarithmic functions. So for that, suppose you have a question y equals to x to the power x. Find dx of y. So I told you base and power both are functions. So we will take the help of log. So this implies log of y is log of x to the power x. So what is the formula? Log a to the power m log a. M log a, so x will come this side. So implies log y equals to x log x. Power will come here, x log x. Now differentiate with respect to x means you are writing dx of log y. Dx of log y is dx of x log x. Dx of log y is dx of x log x. Okay. Now come back to this function. First differentiation of log, that will be log x. Differentiation is 1 by x. So log y will be 1 upon y. Then y with respect to x. This is not x here. This is y with respect to x. So you will have dy by dx. Then here two functions, product rule. First function differentiation of second plus second function differentiation of first. So if I write, then I'll get 1 upon y dy by dx. This is x. Log x derivative 1 upon x. Log x into 1. So x is cancelled. So dy by dx, that is y times 1 plus log x. So y times, what was the value of y? That was x to the power x. So 1 plus log x. Okay. Suppose I get a question. Y equals to x to the power x to the power x, like this. So we'll consider this one as m. First we'll take log of this. Log of y is log of x to the power x to the power x. So this will come to this side. You get here implies log y equals to x to the power x log x. X to the power x will come this side, x to the power x log x. Still there is power, means once more you have to take log both the sides. Log of log y equals to log of x to the power x into log x. Okay, look at here. Log a into b. Since log a into b, log a plus log b. Log a into b, log a plus log b. So log a means this one. So that gives you log of log y log x to the power x plus log b. B means log of log b. B means x here. So log a plus log b. Again this power will come here. This implies log of log y x log x plus log of log x. Log of log x. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x. So what I am going to write here, you are writing ddx of log y equals to ddx of x log x plus ddx of log x. Try to see here. First, every time you keep in the mind what is differentiation of log x. That is 1 upon x. What clue you get here? 1 upon this. 1 upon this means here the differentiation will be for this log. It will be 1 upon x. What is x here? Log y. Then chain rule. After this, you will go to find derivative of this log. So that will be 1 upon y, because this log y differentiation is 1 upon y. Again y with respect to x, so dy by dx equals to, here is product rule. First function differentiation of second plus second function derivative of first. Check it again. First function derivative of second, then second function derivative of first. This part is over. Okay, come back to this one. Again this log, this is composite function here. This log derivative is 1 upon log x. This log I have done. When I go to find this log, it will be 1 upon x. Again when I go to find x with respect to x, that becomes 1. So altogether 1 by this y I can write here, y log y dy by dx equals to x into its derivative 1 upon x, then plus log x, its derivative is 1, plus 1 by x log x, x log x. If not clear, I will write down here, plus 1 by x log x. Then dy by dx will be dy by dx equals to y log y. This 2 goes to numerator, this is cancelled, times 1 plus log x plus x log x. Okay. Now what was y? X to the power x to the power x. Then what was log y? Check it. If y was x to the power x to the power x, log y was x to the power x log x. You can check this one from the beginning, you can check it. So that will be the dx of y, this y is x to the power x to the power x, log y is x to the power x log x into 1 plus log x plus, I think it is 1 upon x log x. Okay, this is the second question we did. Now see another question on this. Suppose you find a question y equals to x plus 3 whole square, then x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 power 4. Find dy by dx. Look at here. If you expand it or you use the formula of u dw, that becomes more complicated. What you can do is, we can take the help of log, we can simplify it. So you can write implies log y equals to log x plus 3 square into x plus 4 power 3 x plus 5 power 4. So look at this part. If I consider this is A, this is B, this is C, so I can use the formula log A into B into C is log A, log B, log C. 3 parts. If you have 3 parts multiplied, then you can split in this way. So log A plus log B plus log C. That means you are getting log Y equals to log x plus 3 power is 2 plus log x plus 4 power is 3 plus log x plus 5 power is 4. Okay, now you can use log a to the power m log a. Means all this power will come this side. So I can write log y equals to 2 will come here, 2 log x plus 3, then 3 log x plus 4 plus 4 log x plus 5. Now it is simplified. So now we can take the derivative for this. It will be easy for us. So you can write differentiating with respect to x. You get ddx of log y, ddx of log y. 2 is a constant, you can keep it outside. ddx of log x plus 3. Why you are keeping it outside? Now this is cfx form, so c can remain outside. Plus 3 will remain out. ddx of log x plus 4 plus 4 will remain outside. ddx of log x plus 5. Okay, look at this part once more. This differentiation log y is 1 upon y, y with respect to x, y with respect to x is dy by dx. Okay, to this part derivative try to check. Log x plus 3 is 1 by x plus 3. X plus 3 derivative is 1 plus 0. Chain rule again here. Similarly 3, this is 1 upon x plus 4, 1 upon x plus 4, and x plus 4 derivative is 1 plus 0 plus 4 into 1 by x plus 5, again 1 plus 0. So let's simplify. So this implies dy by dx is y times, look at this part, 2 by x plus 3, simplified, 3 by x plus 4 plus 4 by x plus 5. Okay, now we can put the value of y. Y was x plus 2 whole square, x plus 3 whole cube, x plus 4. This is x plus 3. Okay. X plus 5 whole power 4 into this part. 2 by x plus 3, 3 by x plus 4, 4 upon x plus 5. You may simplify or not, doesn't matter. I've reached to the conclusion. Okay, this is one pattern. Other one you see. Suppose you find a question and take it to picture. Look at here. X to the power y equals to y to the power x. Suppose I'll take this question first, then we will discuss the other one. Question is, if x to the power y equals to y to the power x, find dy by dx. You make sure you are not going to use nth formula, because power is function here, power is function here. When you find dy by dx, both x and y are functions, so nth formula cannot be used. So what are you going to do? The log of x to the power y equals to log of y to the power x. Then this y will come this side, y log x equals to x log y. Now take the derivative, differentiating with respect to x. So you will find ddx of y log x equals to ddx of x log y. Product rule again, y is function, log x is function. So product rule, that gives you first function derivative of second plus second function derivative of first. The first means y. Similarly, equals to right side, first function derivative of second plus second function derivative of first. Okay, look at here. Go step by step. Here is y, log x derivative 1 upon x, and you can check x with respect to x is 1. Here plus log x dy by dx equals to, look at this part, x log y derivative with respect to x means 1 upon y, and y with respect to x will be dy by dx plus log y into 1. This is 1. Okay, look at here. 1 dy by dx is here, 1 dy by dx is here. So keep them together. Means I can write log x dy by dx minus x by y dy by dx. This is log y, this will come that side, y upon x. So we can simplify. If I take dy by dx here, I get log x minus x by y. This is log y minus y by x. You can take one more step. If you want to simplify, y is the LCM, y log x minus x dy by dx equals to x log y minus y by x. So this y will go here, this will come down. So final answer is implies dy by dx is y times x log y minus y by x. I can write here y log x minus x. Okay, this is one pattern. Suppose you find a question little bit different, like if x to the power y plus y to the power x. Now let's change it, x to the power y if y to the power x. Exact question if I take plus x to the power y plus x to the power x equals to a to the power b. Find dy by dx. Okay, in the previous question, suppose you find in this form x to the power y into y to the power x is 1, then product form, if you take log, then there is a formula log a into b is log a plus log b. But if you find x to the power y plus y to the power x is 1, there is no formula log a plus b. So directly log in this form you cannot take log here. That means log directly you cannot take here. So what you have to do? First you write its derivative, differentiating with respect to x. You'll find ddx of y to the power x, ddx of x to the power y, ddx of x to the power x equals to ddx of a to the power b. Okay, now partwise we'll find the derivative. Partwise means, look at the first part, what will be ddx of y to the power x? No any formula. So for that, suppose I'll write u equals to y to the power x. I take the log, bring the power to left, then I'll differentiate. So log y equals to log x to the power y to the power x. Log u implies log u equals to x log y. Now differentiate with respect to x, ddx of log u, ddx of log u is ddx of x log y. What do you get? Now 1 upon u, then u with respect to x, du by dx equals to first function derivative of second plus second function derivative of first. That gives you du by dx equals to u x dy 1 upon y dy by dx plus log y into r. So this one finally became what? Therefore, because u means y to the power x became what? U times u means y to the power x x by y dy by dx plus log y. Okay, one part you got. Okay, now take one more. Suppose put v equals to x to the power y. Second part, same procedure. Log v equals to log x to the power y implies log v equals to y log x. Differentiating with respect to x, we'll get ddx of log v equals to ddx of y log x. Okay, same procedure. 1 upon v dv by dx equals to first function derivative of second plus second function derivative of first. So implies dv by dx equals to v times y into 1 upon x plus log y dy by dx. So finally you can write ddx of x to the power y, x to the power y equals to x to the power y upon x plus log y dy by dx. This became our second part. Third part was ddx of x to the power x. How to do? Put any other symbol. Z equals to x to the power x. So dz by dx. Directly I am writing here z into, because look at, I have done the very first question like this, 1 plus log x. So ddx of x to the power x became x to the power x into 1 plus log x. This is third. I did not solve in detail because already I have done this question in the beginning. So 3 parts you got. What is fourth part? Fourth part is right side. Fourth part I am writing here. What is ddx of a to the power b? Both base and power are constant. This is a constant term. This will be 0. So therefore, our conclusion is this derivative plus this derivative plus this derivative is 0. So we are getting ddx of x to the power y to the power x plus ddx of x to the power y plus ddx of x to the power x became 0. Okay, now let's put the value. What are the values we have? Now this is y to the power x into x by y dy by dx plus log y. Okay, plus plus x to the power y, y by x plus log y dy by dx. Okay, then plus x to the power x log 1 plus log x, third part, equals to 0. You have got this one as 0. Now you have to simplify it. Okay, the simplification, look at here. Directly you can try. If I write dy by dx, one part I will get here, y to the power x into x by y. One more part I am finding here, that is plus x to the power y log y, x to the power y log y, dy by dx I have taken common. Everything will go to right side, will be minus, this will go to right side. I can write here x to the power x into 1 plus log x, then this part plus y to the power x log y, y to the power x log y, then this part plus x to the power y into y by x. No need to simplify, simply divide here, you will get your result. So you are getting dy by dx is minus time x to the power x into 1 plus log x plus y to the power x log y plus x to the power y dy by dx. Okay, this is one pattern. Now see, if y equals to sin x to the power x, look at here, find, this is a different question again, because there is no formula sin log sin into angle. So log if you are taking also, there is no use here. So differentiate. So differentiating with respect to x. In this situation, if you take log, it becomes meaningless. So dy by dx is ddx of sin x to the power x. So what you do is chain rule. Chain rule means dy by dx becomes sin derivative is cos x to the power x, cos of this, then derivative of angle is ddx of x to the power x. This is what we want to find out. That means only this part is left out, how to find ddx of x to the power x. So you can write here now to find ddx of x to the power x, what we have to do? Put u equals to x to the power x, then take log, implies log u equals to log x to the power x, log x to the power x. This implies log u equals to x log x. Okay, then differentiating with respect to x, this already I have told you. So 1 upon u du by dx, this already I have written, so directly write 1 plus log x, or you can copy those lines here. So finally, what is du by dx? So u comes here, 1 plus log x. So finally dy by dx equals to u means x to the first cos x to the power x, u means x to the power x into 1 plus log x. So this was one pattern. Okay. So some more questions we'll discuss tomorrow.